All right, next video in the bonus half of life toolkit. We're leaving the big four and we're moving into a very interesting topic on the difference between agitate and irritate. To agitate means that the coach, the loved one, the mentor, the leader, um, wants, is pushing you to accomplish something that you want. There's a big difference between someone who pushes you to get what you want and someone who pushes you to get something they want. So if you're the one who's pushing like the loved ones to come over and visit you more often or nagging someone to do something that you want them to do, you're an irritant. You're not an agitator, you're an irritator or an irritant. That's not exactly a great place to be because you're not going to develop friends that way. You're not going to deepen relationships as an irritant, and you're not never going to maximize your happiness and joy during the retirement years. The goal is to learn how to either hire the right agitator, like a financial planner, a coach, a life coach, the right kind of a therapist if that's what you need, if you got trauma that you're processing. Hire someone who will help you grow, not listen to you complain. Someone who listens to you complain is like developing an annuity in a personal relationship because you're going to love to talk about that because it's basically coming in and they're just injecting you with a bunch of cocaine or heroin or alcohol. It's just a drug. It's just an internal or an endogenous drug, not an exogenous one. If you really want to grow, stop complaining about something. If you really want to process trauma, don't talk about it over and over again without having the solution at hand and figuring out the why behind it. When you figure out the why along with the solution, you have a growth. You process the trauma. It no longer carries the heaviness of the past. So, again, this is just kind of a bonus tool. When you realize the difference in life, there are different ways that one can be an agitator or you can be an agitator, and all of them are positive if done neutrally and positively. But if you do anything more than that and you push them to do what you want them to do, then you're an irritant. So be mindful of that, especially as you're inviting grandchildren over or children over. If it gets guilt leveraging on it, you're an irritant. Remember, the idea is that you want to have them over. You want to make new friends. This is the bonus half of life. Let's learn what you've got in the past. Take some new ideas with you as a lifelong learner and practice being a safe space and knowing how to to agitate instead of irritate. Okay, in the next video I'm going to share with you, it's about being nice and kind, and it's more of a continuation of what we just covered. Okay, I can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye now.